Okay, the next one is musk ketone. There's a choice, obviously. I prefer the ethylene bracelet as well, because it's a very nice smell to it. But you can use musk ketone. Here today I'm going to use ethylene bracelet, and that's roughly 100 ml. So guys, make sure when you buy these chemicals, they are of good quality, high concentrates. And if you need to dilute them, if you need to reduce the potency of it, you can do it by yourself. So most of the time they're mixed with DPG, but sometimes you need some other substance. But when we come to those bridges, I'll tell you, what to do with it. At this stage, ethylene bracelet comes in a liquid form. So I'm going in. Sorry, I corrected. It's 50 ml, and I need to add 50 ml of DPG with it to make it 100 ml ethylene bracelet.